Good evening, everyone. This is Gambell with SimplerOptions.com, and in tonight's free video I wanted to share a chart with you in LRCX. So when you look at a chart, this is about the best textbook definition that you could ask for of a very bullish chart. You've got very clean higher highs and higher lows. You do a great job of respecting your broad moving averages, and the thing that I like too is once you shift right here, notice how the 50 stays cleanly stacked on top of the 100 and the 200 all throughout the course of this. That just provides a very clean and easy trend, as opposed to ones where maybe the 50 crosses back or comes back through it, whatever it may be. It's just a very clean trend. So we've got that going for us. We had a nice move up today, and we also have a squeeze that's backing this. So this is pretty much everything that I would look for the opportunity to play it to the long side. Now there are an infinite number of ways to play any given underlying with options. I wanted to narrow this down in tonight's video to just talk about 3, and especially since we have monthly expiration that is right around the corner, only 3 days away, it was also a good spot to talk about this idea. So when you lay a basic fib extension on this, you're going to look at your primary target of about 105. The actual extension comes in at 104.82, but that's a good level. The other reason why I wanted to talk about this right here in front of expiration is because you're also revolving around a key psychological area of 100. So the 3 ways, the first one that I wanted to look at is geared a little bit more towards people that are willing to maintain a stock portfolio and are comfortable with selling naked options. Because what I would look to do is that if this market were to happen to gap down tomorrow, look at selling the $100 put for something like $1, maybe $1.10 if you can get it. It depends on how the market is trading, but it's a really great way of selling premium, doing it with a very short time left in this option's life, and then if you do end up getting assigned, that's okay because you love the pattern here and you're looking for it to move higher. So that's one way to do it, and then of course if you don't get the shares, you just take in the premium and move into next week. If you wanted to apply all 3 of the ideas, the next thing I would share, because the November series will be way too close to be trying to buy options, but if you want to try and catch a little bit more of the move and we gap down tomorrow, look at buying a directional call. This also is a very basic way of doing it. I like to stick with the Delta 70, so either the 97.5 or depending on where the stock is trading tomorrow, potentially the 95s. Either of those would be a fine way to do that. Now of course by buying a call, theta decay will work against you, so to help mitigate that, I also like selling the 5 wide vertical. And these are 3 very basic ways to participate in this to the upside, get some positive theta if you would like it, get the directional exposure if that's more your style, and then look for this to head up into 105 and then 107.85 as a secondary target. So I hope that helps. I also wanted to keep you guys aware of the webinar that Bruce is actually starting tonight. So this will be the 15th. It's going to start at 6 p.m. Central Time. And he is going to be getting down with the Greeks. This will have 2 parts to the strategy, so tonight and tomorrow he'll be going over that. If you're not able to make either of those, they will be recorded, and then he will also be doing some live trading on the 17th and 21st. So if that's something you're interested in, I hope to see you there. Otherwise, have a great night, and we'll touch base at the next free video.